Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore. So you would remember that I had gone to Lal Bagh for the flower show and I had purchased these plants along with a few other things. But among them, there is one jewel in the crown that I purchased, and that is none other than the juicy, mouth-watering strawberries. Yes, it has always been my dream to grow my own strawberries because who doesn't love them? And today I'm glad that I'm able to fulfill this dream of mine, and here I am sharing this moment with you all. So let's now get down to business and know the nitty-gritties of strawberry care. So strawberries were first grown in France and they have reached Indian shores only recently. Now it is cultivated across India from Punjab to Maharashtra to Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The strawberries are propagated widely with the help of plugs. They are nothing but baby or daughter plants that are connected to the mother plant with the help of runners. Seed propagation is seldom done, but we can easily propagate them with the help of seeds as well. So now let us look at the basic requirements to grow strawberries. Light. They like at least a minimum of 8 hours of sunlight, so keep it under full sun. The more the sun, the more it will bear berries. Water. Consistent watering is required, but overwatering could cause root rot and the plant could die. Fertilizer. Use a lot of organic matter. This plant is a heavy feeder, so add a phosphorus-rich fertilizer. You can use well-composted goat manure or cow dung or any such organic manure. Fertilize at least twice a month. Soil. The soil must be well draining and clayey soil must be amended with sand or compost. One important thing to remember is that during the first year, take off all the fruits, the flowers and the runners so that all the energy of the plant is focused on root production and the plant grows bigger and better, so that the next year it can bear more fruits and you will get a very high quality yield. So you can grow your strawberry plants either in the ground or a raised bed or even a hanging basket. So I will be growing this in a hanging basket. For this purpose, I will be using the same hanging basket I had purchased from Lal Bagh. And I love this container because it has a sturdy base that prevents it from wobbling. This ingenious solution to a problem I have been facing with the hanging baskets has left me impressed. So when you also purchase your containers, make sure it has a workable base like this. Since I am using a cocoa fiber basket, there would be free drainage and I need not add any drainage material in the base of the container. I can directly add the potting mix. So now let us look at the potting mix. We will be using 2 parts soil, 3 parts compost and 1 part sand. Now mix thoroughly. It is very important to increase the organic content in the potting mix for a healthy plant and a very good harvest. Now very slowly remove the plant from the old container and make sure that you do not break too much of the roots. Just loosen the old soil and then place it in the middle of the container. Remember one thing, that do not grow your new strawberries in the same soil that hosted other strawberries. Now let us know why these berries were called strawberries in the first place. That mostly is because of this: straws or hay. The strawberry leaves, flowers or fruits rot if they sit in wet soil. Hence people used to mulch the surroundings with straws, hence the name strawberries. Now I will be trimming off the excess straw that is jutting out of the basket because it might attract birds who might damage the plant. After all this is done, position the plant in a full sun location and water the plant to give it a good start. Some diseases and pests can affect the strawberry. Powdery mildew and thrips can damage the plant. Use neem oil solution to get rid of this. The only thing you have to do now is to wait for the plant to give out those rubies that melt in your mouth. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like this episode, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you would like, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be provided below. Until we meet again, goodbye.